There are three ways to convert Google Docs or Google Sheets to a PDF. First is by going to File, Download, and select PDF. With Google Sheets, you will have additional settings to select before you complete the export, such as page orientation, margins, etc. I will right-click on the downloaded files and open them with a PDF reader such as Mac Preview. When I compare the PDF version, the formatting is exactly as it is in original Google Docs. The Google Sheets file may require some additional settings in order to save well as a PDF. I have a video with detailed steps for a perfect print setup of Google Sheets files. The second method is a clever trick when sharing your Google Docs or Sheets. You can make the generated link automatically download a PDF version of your file. Select the Share option and specify the restrictions for the link. Click Copy. Let's test it out by pasting it into Incognito window. Once you paste the link, replace the ending starting at Edit with Export ? Format equal PDF. I see that the file was automatically downloaded. This is a super quick way of sharing a PDF version of your Google Docs file. The third way to export to PDF is by going to File and Print. Again, additional settings are displayed with Google Sheets before the Save as PDF preview appears. I can scroll the preview to make sure everything looks as intended. Make sure you set the destination to Save as PDF instead of the default printer. Underneath, you have few additional PDF setting options, such as selecting the pages to print or changing the margins. Note that the way the files were saved now, they had the original file type information in their name, which I never noticed before. This time, I will open them with Acrobat Reader. As before, the PDF of our Google Docs has identical formatting as in the original file. The PDF of Google Sheets also has identical formatting. The only thing that may be different for you is anything that you changed in print settings, such as which rows or columns to print, etc. Thanks so much for watching.